Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best headlight cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best headlight cleaner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit left the test headlight clearer and newer looking than any of the others. It was also the most time-consuming process. All you need is a clean towel and a hose for this one, everything else is provided in the box for you. The tested light showed a massive improvement over the cloudiness from the beginning, with the only downside being a long 4+ hour waiting period for the UV protection to take effect. Sylvania offers a lifetime warranty claiming that your lights will stay clear for the life of the car with its kit. Wash the headlight lenses and then spray Surface Activator, a proprietary surface corrosion softener only from Sylvania, generously onto each headlight lens until they are completely covered. Let this liquid sit on each lens for about 30 seconds. Immediately, you'll see the yellow gunk start to break down. Wash completely with water to remove loosened corrosion. The components of this kit are good for 2 headlight assemblies. Once installed properly, the performance of the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit is guaranteed by a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your car. For details, let's watch more. Our second best headlight cleaner is Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit. According to expert, anybody could use this kit and come out with great looking headlights. The solution is a slightly gelled material almost the consistency of yogurt. Place a glob on the pad, and rub back and forth straight across the lens. Wipe off with a paper towel occasionally to check your progress. You're done when the headlight has an evenly fogged appearance. Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit allows you to restore your headlights quickly and easily. First, clean the surface evenly using the cleaning solution and abrasive cleaning pad, included, and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Then spray the surface with the headlight coating until evenly and thoroughly coated. This will restore the plastic to a crystal clear finish and provide protection from reoxidation, keeping your headlights clear for up to a year. This simple 2-step process makes removing oxidation, cloudiness and yellowing quick and easy, while providing brilliant, long-lasting headlight clarity. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer Kit. The Turtle Wax Kit is thorough and a good buy insofar as it contains everything you need for any level of headlight lens degradation. Each lens restorer kit has abrasive pads, abrasive liquid compound, clear coat, sealant, and abrasive lubricant. This allows lens repair from the most severe to those that don't need much more than a spray and a wipe. The only thing it doesn't include is a microfiber cloth. The instructions are such that they help you determine what level of care your headlights need. Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer. Unique process restores dull, yellowed headlights to like new condition. Lens clarifying compound quickly removes surface discoloration and may be all that is needed to restore clarity. 3 multi-stage wet restoration pads allow the consumer to focus on deeper discoloration and oxidation to restore the lens to like new condition. New sealing wipe helps protect from future yellowing and discoloration. Number 4 in our side is RustOleum Wipe New Headlight Restore. RustOleum Wipe New Headlight Restore restores worn, foggy headlights for improved illumination and visibility. Everything you need is included, and is guaranteed to pass inspection for the lifetime of your car. Using Wipe New Headlight Restore will take years off the look of your vehicle. RustOleum's kit is easy to use. Open the box and you find a small foam block, 1 3/4 inch on each side. One side of the block is green, the other is gray. Dunk the block into a cup of water and use the green side first. After thoroughly abrading the headlight surface, switch to the gray side. When you're done with that, wipe the headlight clean and put on the pair of nitrile gloves included. You'll need them. Next, tear open the enclosed foil pouch and use the Wipe It cloth inside, a microfiber towelette saturated with the proprietary Wipe It sealant. Use green side of polishing pad to wet sand oxidation. Use gray side of pad to polish. Continue to sand until brownish liquid is gone. Wipe New Headlight Restore is a revolutionary long-lasting solution for oxidized headlights. Simply wipe prepared headlight with Wipe It towelette for crystal clear results. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best headlight cleaner list is Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. Designed to quickly and safely restore, maintain and protect all types of smooth, shiny plastic and acrylic headlights to crystal clarity. It easily cleans away yellowing and stains, and even buffs out unsightly hairline scratches, smudges and flaws in a single step. The included Power Plastic 4 Lights polish restores crystal clarity, leaving a tough protective, oxidation-inhibiting polymer layer to guard against future degradation from the elements. The Mother's Headlight Restorer is the only one that required us to use attachments for a drill. While the process requires a lot less elbow grease, it didn't actually leave our headlight in any better condition than the others. If you're confident using a drill, this is the easiest kit for getting solid results, even if those results didn't quite match the top performer. The included Power Plastic 4 Lights polish restores crystal clarity, leaving a tough protective, oxidation-inhibiting polymer layer to guard against future degradation from the elements. For details, let's watch more.